So, really just started putting this together before I actually decided to record anything. I've been really laxed on recording as of late, but I basically am creating a jig to do tenons on the table saw. This piece is going to actually mount up right here, and it's going to slide right over my fence on the table saw. I got a couple of pieces I got to add in here. I'm actually not going to be using it for tenons. I'm actually going to use it for a bridle joint, but there it is. So pretty straightforward. It mounts right over the thing. Guide. Take my wood, figure out the width, just slide it. I've got the backer here and the stop here, so it's nice and safe. I can mount a clamp here if I want to, or even clamp it this side because of the angles. I can get a clamp in there. Run it through, flip it around, run it through. It's perfectly centered. And then I do the exact reverse for the outsides. First, cut a straight line here so we get a nice, sharp, crisp line. And then run it through, and you have a perfect joint. Look at that, huh? I needed to go deeper, obviously. You want to have a little extra hanging off, then you can plane it down to a nice perfect fit. But there's my jig.